shit.
Holy shit. I am petrified for these fucking bros. I am petrified. Miles, show them the shit, man. Show them this fucking shit. Oh my god. Get the fucking boys out there. We on this. Today's a Hawaiian takeover, bruh. Come at me. African perfection. One and only. Let's get the shot, Miles. Close it out. Oh my god, that shit is firing. Watch out for Bryce, boy. He's taking over, boy. That's coming from the king. Now shut the shit off.